Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we are unboxing and taking a look at the Boxyz top handle bag, or the Box XYZ. I am not sure how to say that. This bag was a signature bag from Ferragamo for quite a bit, but it is no longer produced. That being said, you can still find this on some reselling sites in a bunch of different colorways, and of course if we look at the Ferragamo items that are currently trending or in the new collections, we can see a lot of similarities, especially with the quality and design. For example, take a close look at the hardware and the leather quality, as those are two things that are very Ferragamo. Okay, so as I've started to show you this bag, you can see it's made of very sturdy materials. It has the little footies on the bottom to protect the bag, and it is just very structured. Now we're attaching the crossbody strap that is in the same color as the handle and the key holder. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside our bag. You can see there's one main pocket with a side zippered pocket, which I absolutely love when we have at least a little bit of built-in storage. Now this bag originally retailed for $19.90. However, you can find some colorways at a discount given that they're on resale, and others are actually at a premium because they're no longer made. Of course, whenever you do buy a luxury bag, I definitely recommend you keep the tags and the price, as it really does help with resale just to know what the value of the item was. Alright, and finally, let's take a closer look at the strap. I absolutely love that the strap is a lighter beige color to add to the overall color blocked design of this purse. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you have one of these purses? Do you love it? As always, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.